Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these delicious and yummy meat pie using an oven. I actually have a detailed video on my channel where I baked meat pie using a pot. The link to that video will be in the description box below. Look at how delicious, how moist, how yummy this meat pie looks. So what are you going to be having this meat pie with? Keep on watching to see how I made this delicious goodness. If this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. I would love to have you here. Please click on the subscribe button to join my family and turn on your bell notification so you get notified immediately I post a new video. Thank you. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl. I am grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll be using corned beef as you can see for today's meat pie. You can go ahead and use chicken, you can use fish, you can use beef, you can use any protein that you like. So just go ahead and use what you like. So right now I'm going to add in some water and allow the potatoes, the Irish potatoes, to cook and everything will just simmer together. Now it's time to taste and be sure that everything is on point. Your potatoes, the salt, everything, your seasoning. So once everything is okay, I'm adding in my corn flour to thicken it. The weather has changed. It's the rainy season presently in Nigeria and in Abuja. So we're expecting a heavy downpour right now. So please permit me if this video gets dark a bit. There's no light presently, so please keep on watching till the end. It's time to make the dough for the meat pie. So I'm going to leave the measurement to everything I used in the description box, so feel free to check it out. And I'm going to advise that you make your fillings first before you start making your dough. This is because you want a cool filling. You don't want your fillings to be hot while you're putting it inside the dough. So I'm just going to mix in everything together. And if you don't have an oven, then you should check out this video of me making a meat pie without an oven. I'm going to leave it up and also in the description box for you to check it out. watched up to this point, kindly click on the like button. Give us a thumbs up. Yes, that like button there. Just click on it. It goes a long way to help my channel. So you can support my channel by clicking on the like button and by subscribing if you haven't. Thank you. If you don't have a meat pie cutter, no worries. You can always use a round plastic to cut out your meat pie dough. And the truth is, your meat pie doesn't have to have the traditional shape. You can play around with your meat pie. You can make it any shape that you like. Just watch and see how I played around with the dough to make some funny shapes